In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Weltrade to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to click on the dashboard button up top left, and then you want to go to My Accounts, and you actually want to create a real or a demo account for MT5. We're now going to connect to MetaTrader 5. So I'm just going to go to the Demo tab here, and as you can see, I have an account already. If you don't, you can just click on Create New Account, select the platform as MT5 here. This is the most crucial part, and then down here, you can do whatever you want for your account type, currency, deposit amount, and the leverage, and then click on open account, and then on your screen you'll get a few different information. So you'll receive your login credentials, you'll receive the server, the account number, as well as the account password, and that's all very important because we're going to need it to actually sign up. Okay, so of course to connect it. Now inside your email you'll also receive the credentials, so in case you forget to write it down, you can just go into your email where you'll receive your credentials you can use to go inside MT5 and get connected. So when you do that, when you create your account, click on the MT5 download over here to actually download your MT5 trading platform. If you have it already on your computer though, you could just open it up like me. There we go. And then you want to click on File, top left, and click on Open an Account. When you do that, you want to search in Weltrade, there we go, like this, click on Find Your Company, and click on here where you can see it says Weltrade on the right hand side, and click on Next. In here, you want to go to connect with an existing trade account, and then it's going to tell you inside your email the login and the password. Now, the login inside your email is going to be called the practice account, so this is just like a long number, and then you will also be able to see your trading password in there too. So type that in, there we go, and select if you are on a demo or a real account. For me, I'm on a demo one, and then click on Finish. And whenever you do this, there we go, as you can see, I'm now successfully connected to MT5. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.